We are making poppy seed pastries today, known as Kolache. You will need 250 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of salted butter, 50 grams of caster sugar, 400 milliliters of milk, 7 grams of fast-action yeast, 2 eggs, 180 grams of ground poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 to 5 tablespoons of plum jam, and 50 grams of almonds. To make the dough, put 250 grams of plain flour into a bowl. Add 50 grams of sugar. Add 50 grams of melted butter. Use lightly salted butter. Add 100 milliliters of milk. Add 1 egg. Add 7 grams of fast-action yeast. Mix the ingredients into a smooth dough. Cover the dough and let it rise, in a warm place, for at least an hour, until it doubles in size. To make the poppy seed topping, heat up a pan, and add 300 milliliters of milk. Add 180 grams of ground poppy seeds. You could grind the poppy seeds yourself, in a food processor. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 3 tablespoons of plum jam. Cook the mixture over a medium heat until it thickens, stirring the poppy seeds constantly. Taste the mixture and add more plum jam or sugar as needed. Once the mixture looks thick, take the pan off the hob and let the poppy seed topping cool off. Once the dough doubles in size, divide it into 9 parts. You can use a spoon to divide the dough, making 9 balls of dough on a floured surface. Once you form 9 dough balls, place them on a baking tray, greased with butter. Flatten the balls, using your hands. The centers need to be thinner than the dough near the edge. You can use a cup or a glass to press the dough down. Mix 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of milk. Brush the dough with the egg. You don't need to brush the centers, as these will be covered by the poppy seed topping. Divide the poppy seed mixture evenly, filling the centers of the round pastries. Try to make each pastry look neat. Decorate the pastries with almonds. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the pastries until the edges turn golden brown, for about 20 minutes. You can serve the pastries for breakfast, or as a treat, with coffee or tea.